So today, new watch alert. I buy a new timepiece like always, and I show you Undone Urban. It's a hybrid mechanical quartz chronograph, movement by Seiko, and all is right here. Water resist, the size of the crystal, and K1. The timepiece is perhaps look like this, but no, you know me, it's not this one. I love I love many things, but look. Yes, Meca Quartz hybrid, but this crazy dial, so unusual. It's the first time I see this model and it's discontinued. I buy this one on a site in France and I so lucky to find this timepiece. I love the sub dial, blue, red and white, so like a yacht master. This timepiece have a diving watch look for me, but it's a chronograph and I can't put this timepiece on the water because it ruins the mechanism. The mechanism, like I see, look, Meca Quartz, but open case. It's so unusual and so crazy. I love the details. Meca Quartz, but we can see the movement. Why not? It's cool. And on my wrist. So we go. Look, perfect on my wrist. Very cool vintage look. I love the detail on the case, polish and brush, and the dome Saphir crystal K1, so cool. Okay, look, the crown with the U of Undone, and the case, perfect. Yep. Chronograph is a Meca Quartz, so mechanical. Look at the throttle. And if I stop, hop, like automatic one. I love this timepiece and it's cool for this summer. Hope you like this new model on my collection. Bye bye!